Hello students, have a nice day. Yesterday I have started exercise number 5A. Today I would like to solve the rest part of the exercise 5A. I have explained all the rules of affirmative, interchange affirmative, sentence into negative देखने का प्रयास करेंगे. ठीक उसी के आगे जहाँ कल मैंने छोड़ा था. He loves all. He does not hate all. Iron is more useful than gold. Iron is more useful than gold. So gold is not so useful as iron. He found him dishonest. So he did not find him honest. They should attend the marriage. तो बनेगा दे शुड नॉट. ऐसे बना लें या दे should not leave or miss the marriage. Next, C is as dull as an S. बनेगा an S is duller. An S is not duller than C. Next, Ram is taller than Sita. Sita is not so tall than as Ram. Sita is not so tall as Ram. The question is difficult. The question is not easy. Next, He goes to bed after midnight. He does not come to bed. He does not come to bed. He does not go to bed before midnight. Only a little child would talk like this. Would talk like this. तो बनेगा none but a little child. Next, he is too old to work hard. He is so old that he cannot work hard. He saw the Taj. बनेगा he did not fail to see the Taj. I was doubtful whether it was you. I was not sure. Next, he is richer than I. I am not so rich. As he. As soon as he saw us, he ran away. No sooner did he see us than he ran away. ही इज ग्रेटर देन आई, I am not so great as he. I have solved exercise number 5a. In next video, I would like to explain all the rules in interchange of negative sentence into affirmative. I think that just contrast of the affirmative into negative. मैंने कल जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो मेरा आएगा उस पर आपको नकारात्मक वाक्यों को स्वीकारात्मक कैसे बदलेंगे, नेगेटिव वाक्यों को अफर्मेटिव कैसे बदलेंगे, ये आपको एक्सप्लेन करके बताऊंगा. दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस पीरियड. इफ़ यू हैव लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, like and share. That's all for this period.